Quick explanation of the Trimble Tech grade control for the dozers. Both the 550 cab and the 750 dozer have it. I got the two masts here with the laser readers on the top of the mast. The masts are motorized and will move up and down either from the joystick or initially at the set point when it goes to find the laser that's spinning. That laser is back here in the tree line. You can see it right back there on a tripod. That tripod's high enough to get over the cab of the dozer so we can never lose signal. So that's why these masts are so tall, so they can see over the cab. Inside then, all of the valving is being controlled by this unit. This unit is giving us tenths of feet. So when we're grading to an accuracy of 0.01, which is an 1/8 inch. So right now I'm in manual mode. If I wanted to grade as if it didn't have any technology on it, manual mode would be like normal. It doesn't do anything, but it does show me my grade and how close I am to level. So if I go to move the joystick here, and I'm moving this back and forth, you can watch what the laser sees, saying I'm getting out of grade. So that you can just see that by visual demonstration. Green would be within my tolerated set point, so I can say I'm okay with anything that's a 1/2 inch or a 1/10 of an inch or whatever. So green's okay, red means I'm too high, I'm above my set point, and then you got this picture here as to what your blade's supposed to be doing. But if I wanted to then let Trimble do all the work, I press this button on the joystick, and we just switch to auto. And let's say I take it back from auto to manual, and I'm going to raise back up. There I'm climbing by tenths of feet again. And if you watch the blade this time, when I hit the button, I've got my grade set, so when I hit auto, it's going to drop immediately to that grade. So there I'm now flat. These variances down here, 0.01 is an 1/8 of an inch, 0.02 is a 1/4 inch. So you can see that I'm pretty flat between the two. If I then take the dozer, I'm going to go down on speed and put it in reverse. And now I'm going to let Trimble do all of the grade adjustments because I'm in auto mode. The laser is spinning at 600 RPM, so I'm getting 10 readings a second. And then I'm backing up, grading in reverse, and all valving is being done by the Trimble unit. So it's continually adjusting 10 times a second, trying to find flat, and as I hit big bumps here and I'm not going very fast, it will try to react. And you definitely want to finish grade with this. You don't want to excavate with this. So if you've got a lot of material to move, it'd be better to do it in lifts, and I could do that if I wanted to offset. And let's say I wanted to raise above or below my initial set point, I go up and down with this, and I can adjust it at 1/4 inches at a time. So here's going to be an offset. There we go, there's an offset of a 1/4 inch. There's a 1/2 inch. And now I'm riding 0.1 feet higher than my initial grade. And then if I want to go right back down to where I was, now I'm back on my original grade. The blade drops, and I'm back to back dragging. We've already done this with the laser a few times, so I'm leaving imprints in it. But for example, if I wanted to make this smooth, I would then do a cut of a 1/4 inch. So I'm going to drop down, there's a minus 0.02. So now I should start to get below my other grade, and we should start to see some flat sand now that I'm not running over. Yeah, there we go, there I'm touching just a little bit there. And now I should start to see a nice blade mark show up. There we go, you can see the track starting to disappear as I drop, so I'm a 1/2 inch below the last time I went over this, just for demonstration purposes.